In this video we are replacing these shutter valves. As you can see, one of the shutter valve doesn't work at all. Another one seems working just fine, but if you replace one, it's a good thing to replace them both. There are two ways how to replace the shutter valves. We will go the easiest way. We will replace just the top part of the shutter valve. In some cases you will need to cut the wall underneath or above, depends how your plumbing is. Redo the connection inside of the wall, put the access panel and fix the wall. But as I said, we go in this way, and first thing we're gonna have to start with is shutting off the water for the whole house. When the water is drained, we can undo the hoses. There might be still some water in there. We can clearly see that this shutter valve wasn't completely opened, neither turned off. So this is the good thing that we are replacing that. So the shutter valve, they are screwed on over here. We need to secure the bottom part and unscrew the top one. This one went easy because it seems like it was replaced in the past. This one probably gonna go harder. And finally, we took this shutter valve off. Clean this area up. Since our water is off, sometimes it can be a little bit of the residue in the pipes. It shouldn't be a big problem because we have the drain right here. And in order to fix that without taking off the wall, without cutting off the wall, I found this set. I will list these materials in the description so you can buy it and do these repairs in your house. As you can see, this is pretty much look-alike shutter valves, and before you buy it you need to make sure what type of the shutter valve you have, because some of them they are female, some of them male. In our case we have a female shutter valves, so this is exactly the set that we need. I will list both of the sets, female and male, in the description. And now let's prepare this shutter valve to be placed over there. We remove the shutter valve from the set. Let's unscrew it. Keep in mind, this is pretty sealed connection and you may struggle while unscrewing this shutter valve, but be sure that you're using proper tools. In our case that will be an adjustable wrench and a channel lock. So we grab this portion of the shutter valve with our channel lock on the proper angle, probably something like that, maybe a little bit further, and then with our adjustable wrench over here here you go. This part we don't need anymore. As you can see, we have the washer on the bottom, but also we will apply the thread sealant on the top of the thread to prevent any leaks in the future. Okay, I made a mistake so you wouldn't. I removed this thread for the hose connection in order to make it easier to put the shutter valve back on. And as you can see over here, I bent it. So now you're gonna have to take this shutter valve off and replace it with a new one. And you got it right, I got another set. So now we are going a little bit different route. This time we are putting Teflon tape around it. You're gonna need to make 3 to 5 turns and also thread sealant on inside of the shutter valve thread. Let's screw it on. Alright, one shutter valve in, let's do another one. Right, at this point our shutter valves installed. They are a little bit misaligned, but it is what it is because it's an old building, relatively old, it's 14 years old. In our case, I'm more worried that it wouldn't be leaking after we turn on the water. So before we turn on the water, make sure the shutter valves are off. Slowly turning on the water to the house. and check for the leaks in our laundry. At this point everything looks good. Let's connect the hose and release the air from the system. Looking good here. And looking good here. And after installation is complete, it's a good thing to go and check the meter for your house. You can see that we have zeros, there is no consumption, that means there is no leaks in our system. And when it's all connected, you can start using your washer machine. Thanks for watching, and once again, all the tools and materials will be listed in the description below this video.